Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find additional settings. Then let's tap on language send input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all available languages which we can set. And fortunately, in this device, it is so easy to change the language. You do not have to, like reorder them in the list, etc. Just find the language and tap on it. Basically, this is how it works. So let me pick maybe Turkish. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. From now on, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good at Turkish, English, and that's all. So basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.